another video. You are watching Phones on George with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia's 1280. Yes, 1280 की आज हम ये बात करेंगे. Talking about this variant, it was a 2009 model out here. Back then, it could be said as a good variant because this variant was not a bad one, but yes, a better variant as compared to other models out here. And talking about this variant, I'm talking about this Nokia's 1208 out there. We can say that 1208 model out there, 1280 model out here, yes, as compared to 8, 9, and 80, this was a better version. It was slightly heavier, yes, more than 80 grams, but with mini SIM and flashlight out there, with a monochromatic graphics out there. Along with that, it has a very tiny size, yes, 1.3 inches screen size, like approximately 1.4, 1.3.6. So this was approximately 1.4 inch screen size, so it was a tiny phone out here, which was very handy to use. But within this size, it offers a great resolution, screen resolution out there, which was 87 ppi density. Another good factor which involved in this was the entry life. Yes, the phone book entry was expanded up to 500, so this was a good version out there. But still, offering no internal storage capacity and the expandability shows a great disadvantage to this phone. Yes, this was a major disadvantage. But what else did they improve? Yes, what did they improve? They improved the 3.5 jack. Yes, the most common jack out here. 3.5 jack could be seen out in this variant. Yes, you can see this variant out there. No camera was possible out there, but still this was a good version because FM was introduced. You can see various other models out here, as well as you can see that it has got exchangeable covers, back covers out there. Voice memo, calendar, stopwatch, everything could be seen. Games could be seen out there. Apart from that, you can see the expandability of the battery. Yes, the battery was expanded up to 800 mAh. Yes, expandability of 800 mAh could be seen out there. So you can definitely use this version out there. Apart from that, the battery life which they had, 800 mAh battery life, was up to 8 to 9 hours talk time. Yes, you can have 8 to 9 hours talk time, whereas other variants were really not worth it, like approximately 7 hours, 700 mAh battery. But this was a good version out there. Saying this good version or talking about this good version out here, we have got a site which offers really amazing pricing for this. And when we talk about the pricing, when we say that this offers really good pricing, means that is a pocketable price and is worth it. So you can definitely check out the. This is the site I was talking about for the best pricing. I was saying this is the site. The site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. The highlighted one is that. Talking about this site, it offers you not just Nokia but other brands also like Apple, Samsung, Sony, LG, HTC, Huawei. Every brand is listed out here. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite icon out there. So you can definitely have your favorite models out there. Now talking about this variant, let us talk about this variant here, about Nokia 12. So the result is out, and when we talk about the result, we get to see a description box. And the description box says all the specifications, the features of this variant. Now when we talk about this variant, we get to see there's a condition written over here that is refurbished condition. Refurbished. Let us talk about refurbished condition, then we can talk about other things. सबसे पहले बात refurbished की, and then we will talk about other things also. So let us talk about refurbished products and refurbishedness and compare it with the brand new products too. मतलब इन दोनों को भी डिस्कस करते हैं, जानते हैं कि refurbished क्या होता है, brand new क्या होता है, what are the major differences involved in refurbished products and brand new products. Talking about the refurbished and brand new products and talking about the word itself, let us talk about the word first. Refurbished. Re means again. Furbish means creating new. Like it combinedly says creating something new. So we can say refurbish itself means something new like or newly like. We can say this thing out there. Whereas brand new says that it is something absolutely untouched brand. Brand new can also be said as like it is absolutely from the company itself. It has not been touched by any of the users, anything out there. We can say that. Whereas if we talk about refurbished, it has been once used out by a user and we are rebringing it or we are repolishing it and bringing it back to the market along with the sites. So this is what refurbished means, actual means. Now let us talk about refurbished and brand new parameters. What are the major differences or the major parameters on which we can say that brand new and refurbished products, they do differ or they are similar? Or talking about the similarities, talking about the similar things out there, we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products both have the same parameters. Yes, the parameters which are involved in it are same. Same as in, we can say that these parameters involve nothing else but the connectivities, display, the battery, camera, the internal systems out there like processor, OS, GPU, NFS connectivities, infrared ports are there, USB typing out there, everything which is involved in every specification. On a major classification, on a very broad or a rough classification, if we talk about this thing, we can say that these are majorly classified as external and internal factors. Talking about the external and internal factors, we can say the external factors involve all the external features like the display out there, buttons out there, camera placement, camera quality, audio, video qualities out there, the battery life, the charging capacity. So these are all the display and the external factors जो हम देख सकते हैं, which we can see. Whereas talking about the internal factors, we can see the internal parts which cannot be checked out with seeing. They have to be checked by other systems like the processing system, Android system, SIM recognition, data recovery, data wiping, colorization out there, the internal connectivities, hotspot, NFC, Bluetooth, infrared ports out there, all the parts which are internal parts out there. So overall, there are 29 parameters for brand new products. So same 29 parameters are involved in the refurbished products. मतलब दोनों में ही इन दोनों में ही involve होते हैं, brand new में भी और refurbished में भी. Both have the same kind of products. Now talking about these products, now talking about these branding, what are the major differences out there? मतलब there has to be some difference out there. There has to be a difference. So talking about the difference, we can say there are few benefits of having refurbished products on brand new products. Yes. There are few benefits of having refurbished products, just like number one, as we say, is the saving up to 15%. Yes, you get to save up to 15%. Why we say so? Because brand new products are slightly expensive out there. They have really high prices, whereas refurbished products are not that much expensive. They are not that much a heavy pricing out there. So you can save up to 15%, or it might raise up to 17, or might decrease up to 10, depending upon the year of launching out there. The pricing might differ, but it can save you a great saving, you can say that. Another one involves the same factor, which is the rating out there. Pocketable rates. Yes, the refurbished products are quite pocketable rates out there. Yes, they have a very pocketable rates out there. They are very less expensive. We can say they are not much. They are not cheap out there. They are not very cheap out there, but they are not too expensive. They are not at all expensive out there. They have got really a good pricing for themselves and are of absolutely pocketable rates. Now we all know that brand new products have 1 year warranty from the company here itself. But once a product has been used, you usually don't get to see the warranty period. But this side, or we can talk about the refurbished product, on this side offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty for your devices for the refurbished products. So you can definitely check out that. Every description box has mentioning of the warranty period itself. Every site will show you the warranty period if it is available. So do check out the warranty period on the site as well. Talking about another factor is the 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy out there. So you can definitely check out this, because 7-day exchange policy definitely offers a great thing out there. It is really amazing, because if a product is not verified and has been directly given to you, then you can definitely exchange it. You can get it replaced out there. But usually it doesn't happen. They have already verified and then only it is certified and categorized as refurbished. Now talking about the refurbishedness and everything, since I was talking about a site out there which we have already seen. That is none other than this site, which is phoneZone.ae. The site name is phoneZone.ae. We already know about this site and we have already seen about this site. Then let us talk about this site once again. We already know that it offers you a number of categories. It offers you all the brands out here in the category of all mobile phones. That is Apple, Samsung, Nokia. Every kind of brand can be seen here. Now talking about other factors, not talking about other things out there, we can say that this offers you nothing else but a 6 months warranty period. It offers you 7 exchange policy. It offers you COD could be seen out there. Free home delivery is there. 100% original products are there. Now everything can be seen on the site itself. So you can definitely check out, since this site is very amazing out here for the best refurbished products. You can check out because it offers you great deals, great pricing. So you definitely need to go on Google and type phoneZone.ae to know the best pricing in your area. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care और अपना ध्यान रखें. किसी और मॉडल के बारे में जानना, you can let us know by the comment section. Till then, take care.